Welcome to kite. In kite, we're going to find the missing angle measure. Now, kite is in quadrilateral family. Therefore, the sum of interior angles is 360. I'm going to use 360 minus 100, minus 40. And we know these two angles, they are congruent. Therefore, find one of them. We're going to divide by 2. Go ahead, pause the video, see what you have. I have 360 minus 100, that is 260. 260 minus 40, 220. 220 divided by 2, I got 110. That's it. So we're going to label it here and label it here. We call it all done. Let us continue. This time we're going to find the missing length. What is this length? What is this length? To make our explanation clear, we're going to call it kite A, B, C, D. And these two diagonals, a yellow one and a cyan color, and we're going to have them meet at point O. Alright, remember these two diagonals are going to be perpendicular to each other. Therefore, I'm going to pull out my lovely little right triangle AOD. Pull it out. And then we're going to label, that's 3, that's 3. Remember, not drawn to scale. Alright, if this is 3, this is 3, which means this is a isosceles right triangle. I don't have to use my Pythagorean theorem. I can use my special right triangle rule. Immediately find out AD is 3 squared 2. Okay, of course, if you love to use Pythagorean theorem, go ahead and use it, but this is much faster. Therefore, we can happily label it here. We found AD. Now, I'm going to pull out my other little triangle, another right triangle called ODC. Okay, so ODC. Look like this. And this is a 5, this is 3. Are you able to find what is CD? Good. We're going to use a Pythagorean theorem. We're going to say CD, you're the longest side, so you're the C. So C squared is A squared plus B squared. We don't want a square, we want a square root. So A squared plus B squared. We're going to substitute. Our A is 3 squared. Our B is 5 squared. Let's see what we have. 3 squared is 9. 5 squared is 25. We have a square root 34. You always want to check and see if a square root 34, do you have a pair of real number that can come out? If they don't, square root 34 stays. That's right. Okay, so the missing length here is square root 34. Now, we just finished solving the second problem, how to find the missing length in a kite. Happy learning.